honey, honey.
So, welcome to another of the behind the scenes of actually making the Real Full Monty, and exciting day today. We're actually filming the promotional video. So this is the video that will go out on ITV before the show. You've probably seen it, or you saw it, and it went out obviously just to promote the fact the show was going to be there. But I'd even like to see how they actually made it. So I'm in South London. We've come to this place. It's called the Rivoli Ballroom, and if you're from this part of London, you might know about this place. You might have even danced here, but I'd never heard of it, and it really is quite extraordinary. So anyway, I'm going to take you through what's happening today. Basically the cast members are going to meet here at various points. They're filming the promo. It's more like a film set, to be honest. Lots of people, really quite a reasonable budget, I would say, to make something which is going to be really quite special. I imagine there's lots of waiting around, and I imagine it's all going to be, it's going to take absolute age, but it's going to be amazing. So make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and look out for more behind the scenes of the making of the Real Full Monty. Now let's take a look inside. How absolutely amazing is this place? You know, compared to what it looks like from the outside, it is truly outstanding. I think apparently there's only like one of these in the whole of Europe. An old-fashioned ballroom. You've got the chairs on the side, you've got the stage in there, you've got the glitter balls and the chandeliers. I mean, it's amazing. It's obviously been kitted out as a film set today, and we've got a plan as to what's going to go ahead, but it's all very, very, it's amazing, basically. Look at this place. Absolutely love it. Love it, love it, love it. Even the side corridors of this place are really outstanding. I mean, you can imagine people meeting here for drinks, having their, cocktails, their martinis. And this place, it smells old, it looks old, it's just magical. So this is wardrobe, costume, although I think it's a bit of a joke really, because is there going to be much things to wear? I don't think so. What there is, however, is a table with more varieties of skimpy underwear and flesh-coloured stuff than I've ever seen in my life. This is apparently going to go out at not after peak time, so it has to be family friendly. So nothing will be revealed. Thank goodness for that. Just take a look at all this underwear though. Amazing. Okay, so I think Ashley's about to do his little bit. So obviously when we're on set, I can't talk and give you running commentary, but it's just, you've got the cameraman, you've got the lighting people, you've got the sound people, you've got the creative people. I mean, it really is like a movie set. And I think Ashley's got a few words that he has to say. Well, if you've seen the promo, you'll know what he says. But I imagine even to get those few seconds is going to take ages. but they're looking for perfection here. This is not Holmes with the Hammer kind of makeup, go along stuff. This is, yeah, this is like a movie. That's it, hair and makeup done, poofed and pampered, ready for my starring role. So we'll finish by just hopefully repeating the little trailer. Bear in mind we started at 8 o'clock this morning, going to finish at 8 o'clock tonight, and that's 12 hours to create those perfect 20 seconds.
Performing the real full Monty is... Gonna be a ball.
There's nowhere to hide on Strictly the Real Full Monty. Starts Monday the 13th of December on ITV and ITV Hub.
I hope you enjoyed it. I'll have more behind the scenes from the making of the Real Full Monty for you. So make sure you like this. Make sure that you click the little ding-a-ling, and make sure you subscribe to the channel as well. I'll have more of this stuff over the coming weeks.